In this lecture, we will discuss the nomenclature of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are acidic in nature and contain carbonyl-carbon attached with hydroxyl group. This is the reason the molecules are given the name of carboxylic acid. One end of the carbonyl-carbon may contain hydrogen, alkyl or aryl group. If it contains hydrogen, the molecule will be named as formic acid. This acid is majorly present in the bodies of ants, which the ants use for defense purpose. If carbonyl-carbon is attached with alkyl groups, the molecules will be termed as aliphatic carboxylic acids. Aliphatic carboxylic acid from carbon 12 to carbon 18 are termed as fatty acids. Carboxylic acids functional groups are always present at the end of the chain. Therefore, these are termed as terminal functional groups. In this molecule, methyl group is present with carbonyl-carbon. The molecule, according to IUPAC system, would be numbered from carbonyl-carbon of carboxylic acid. Two carbon atoms are associated with ethane, but in this case, E of ethane would be omitted. Whenever carbonyl-carbon of carboxylic acids is numbered and carboxylic acids are used as suffix, you have to use the word oic acid and the name of molecule would be ethanoic acid. Common name of the molecule is acetic acid. Here the 3-carbon chain is present and again numbering would be started from carbonyl-carbon. The name of molecule would be propanoic acid. For 5-carbon chain, the molecule would be named as pentanoic acid. Have a look at the heading part with olefinic bond. Olefinic bond has the lower priority than carboxylic acid functional group. Therefore, the carbonyl-carbon would get the lower locus. In this case, the heading part is 5-carbon chain. Olefinic bond is present at 3rd carbon, so the name of molecule would be 3-pentanoic acid. For acetylenic bond with 6 carbon atoms, the name of molecule would be 4-hexanoic acid. More than one carboxylic acid functional groups can be present in the molecule. If 2 carboxylic acid functional groups are present in the molecule, you have to use the word dioic acid. You don't need to specify the locations of carbonyl-carbon of carboxylic acids because there is no possible location for these carbon to be present. The common name of the molecule is oxalic acid. This is the polyfunctional group molecule, and carboxylic acid functional group has the higher priority than ketonic and aldehydic functional group. So the numbering of heading part would be started from carbonyl-carbon of carboxylic acid. Name would be written in alphabetical order as 5-formyl 3-oxo-pentanoic acid. Have a look at this molecule, which contains hydroxy and chloro functional groups. Both have lower priority than carboxylic acid functional group. Therefore, the lower locus would be given to carbonyl-carbon of carboxylic acid. The name would be written in alphabetical order. 4-chloro-3-hydroxy-pentanoic acid. This is a cyclic structure which contains carboxylic acid functional group. Saturated 6-carbon ring is associated with cyclohexane. This cyclohexane contains maximum number of carbon atoms in continuous way, so it would be selected as a heading part. But carboxylic acid carbon would not be numbered. For such molecules, you have to use the word carboxylic acid as a whole. Not oic acid would be used, and the name of molecule would be cyclohexane carboxylic acid because carbonyl-carbon of carboxylic acid has not been numbered. The carbonyl-carbon of carboxylic acid is attached with aromatic ring. So this is an example of aromatic carboxylic acids. This whole molecule has been given the name of benzoic acid. 2 benzoic acids are present on the benzene ring. Same is the case that maximum number of carbon atoms are present in the benzene ring and the carbons of carboxylic acids would not be numbered. So in this case, the whole word carboxylic acid would be written because carbons of carboxylic acid functional group has not been numbered. So the name of molecule would be benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid because two carboxylic acid functional groups are present. Here, chain structure and ring structure both are present, but chain structure contains functional group. So chain structure would be selected as a heading part. Two carbon atoms are present in the chain structure and the second carbon is attached with the phenyl group. So the name of molecule would be phenylacetic acid. As we have discussed earlier, that 2-carbon carboxylic acid is associated with acetic acid. And in this case, the acetic acid contains phenyl substituent. So the name of molecule is phenylacetic acid. Here, benzoic acid contain hydroxy functionality at ortho position or at second position, as carboxylic acids have high priority than alcoholic functionalities. Therefore, the carbon attached with carboxylic acid would be number 1 and next carbon would be number 2. So OH functionality is present at second position. So the name of molecule would be 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. Here chloro group and nitro group both are present and the numbering of heading part would be started from that carbon which is attached to the highest priority functional group. So chloro group is present at second position and nitro group is present at 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th position. So the name of molecule would be 2-chloro-5-nitro-benzoic acid. Here at meta position or at third position, there is a formoyl group. So the name of molecule would be 3-formyl benzoic acid. Now consider another example. The molecule contains chain and ring structure both. But chain structure contains maximum number of functional groups. Therefore, it would be selected for the heading part. And the phenyl group is present at 1, 2, 3, and 4. Phenyl group is present at 4th carbon and oxo group is present at 3rd carbon. So the name of molecule would be 4-phenyl 3-oxo-butanoic acid. 4 carbons are associated with butane. And carbonyl carbon of carboxylic acid has been numbered. So we have to use the word butanoic acid. In this case, two benzoic acids are linked with each other via oxygen atom. Both parts of the molecule are identical. So which part would be selected for the heading part? According to IUPAC system, the part of the molecule which gives lowest locant to the substituent would be selected for the heading part. In both parts, numbering would be started from that carbon which is attached to the carboxylic acid functionality. If you select this part as a heading part, the substituent would get 3rd position. But if you select this part as a heading part, the substituent would get 4th position. According to IUPAC, that part would be selected as a heading part which gives lowest locant to the substituent. Therefore, the benzoic acid group on the right side would be selected as a heading part and this whole part would be treated as the substituent. Let's number the heading part. Now let's number the substituent part. Whenever carboxylic acid group is present as substituent, we use the word carboxy. Phenyl group is attached with oxygen, we use the word phenoxy. So the substituent would be 4-carboxy-phenoxy, which is attached at 3rd carbon of the heading part. And the heading part is actually a benzoic acid. So the name of the molecule would be 3,4-carboxy-phenoxy-benzoic acid. So this was all about the IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acids.